Full set. Includes 6 bolos, 3 red plus 3 blue. To use as replacements or perfect for a homemade set. Indoor or outdoor use. Made from soft yet durable TPR rubber, safe for kids. Tangle free. Thick nylon bands prevent bolos from tangling easily. Top reviews from the United States. Works great and has the weight and texture of my original balls. The wife loaned my good ladderball set to the school and it came back with somebody else's cheapo balls. Made me really angry because I liked my original balls, they felt really good in my hand and would throw nice. These were a bit pricey in my opinion, but if you are looking for a quality set of balls, this is it.